tutorial of Microsoft Excel use for beginners from zero or from basic, and this is section 5 of this learning about on this opportunity. I would like to explain the tutorial of Microsoft Excel of the sections 5, and I've created on the sections 1, 2, 3, and 4 on my previous video. So if you haven't checked about the first until fourth video, you can check it first, and you will learn basic information and also basic use of Microsoft Excel by learning this Microsoft Excel videos. Okay, here on this section 5, I will explain about how to create graph and make filtering on Microsoft Excel, and we will explain using the feature of conditional formatting. That's my favorite features, one of my favorite features on Microsoft Excel, and also this is too easy to learn, and also it will make it more efficient for our work or our job. Okay, I still have a data about stock fruits. It is the same data with my previous videos on the section 3 and 4. It's about stock fruits and name fruits, stock and price. Okay, we need to block all of the table or only of the data, but we need to block it from name fruits until stock, only name fruits and stock. Okay, we need to block this data, name fruits and stock, and then go to insert. Okay, tap insert on the menu bar, and then recommended charts or bar charts or pie chart or etc. That's the recommended charts. Okay, recommended chart means that Microsoft Excel will recommend you to use these charts about your data, or you can also select or choose the charts on the choices here on this insert menu bar. Okay, it's about insert pie or dotted chart and line chart and etc. It's about recommended charts. So after you click the insert charts and the recommended charts, you will be taken to the page like this. It's about bar, pie. It's about bar. It's clustered bar chart. That is used to compare with cross view categories. And if you tap if you click about all charts, so you will find here all of charts types on Microsoft Excel that you can use on your data, especially for your data. Okay, if the data will be like this, I think that we will return to recommended charts. It's a recommend chart from Microsoft Excel, and I will use a bar chart that is easy to follow. And after you click it, you can also change the size. You can click then you can drag right, down, top, left, and etc. And so you can move the chart, so it's too easy to operate or to use. It's about stock, and there are many data about apple, orange, grape, melon, and watermelon. But the stock of this data. Okay, as the title is stock, so we can also change the title here. Okay, and also there are name of fruits. And I think if we use chart on our data, it will easier and also more convenient for readers to read our data, besides the numbers that we show on our table. So I will I will change about the title. For example, it's about stock today or to just stock for olives, fruits available, apple, orange, etc. And also I also have prepared filtering. Here are the filtering data. And after we learned about creating chart, it's about filtering. Okay, it's about filtering and conditional formatting. No order and the name, gender, and domicile. So the second features is about filtering, and where you can use filtering to use or to filter data if you want to find a certain data that is based on your criteria to know or to find. How to do this: Control A or all, block all the data, and then go to right on the menu bar, so you can see about sort and filter, and just click filter, and the title of the data or column will show the arrow down arrow, and you can okay, after you click about this sign or this button, so it's about sort A to Z or sort Z to A or sort by color and etc. So if we click A to Z, so the data will automatically sort from A to Z. Okay, A, B, D, G, M, and etc. It's about alphabet order. So if you want to make an order from Z to A, just click this here. And also you can sort by color from this feature here. I will make it order from the yellow color, and from the next data mm, will be sorted after this, after the yellow color. Okay, if that's about the filtering format, it's all, it means that all of the data will be activated on the table. But if you just select just a bond or bundle or certain cells, just click on the cell that you want to display on the worksheet. So you just need to select female, for example. Oh, I need the gender of female. Just click the female. Okay, so the appearance of the table will automatically make it for only female gender, and you can also make a male gender, and it's about filtering. Okay. Um. Okay. If you want to make a filter in the data that greater than 100, okay, how about it? Okay, it's about number filtering. Okay, numbers filters that equals doesn't equal greater than or equal to less than or equal to between top than above average below average and custom filter. Okay, it's about greater than or equal to, I think that you know the number that greater than or the higher number of one the greater than or between 1 until 10 or above the average for the fields that are above averages from this data, and we will show the data greater than 100%, sorry, be greater than 100. So let's click this. After you okay, select the greater than, and then fill the data for greater than 100. So after this, click OK. You will see about this data. Okay, so from the number order greater than 100, there are three data from our table. Okay, begins with Y. Okay, oh sorry. For example, text filters. You need to filters about the text filters. Okay, sorry. Select domicile and then text filters and Y. Okay. It will appear Y because we do filtering based on Y letter or Y alphabet. Okay, so you can explore by yourself how to do filtering. And for the last, think that, okay, sorry, I will return this filtering. Okay, for the move for the next lesson, you will give a color automatically. For example, the color of male data is red, or for the female data is a certain color. So if you want to create a color automatically for cell, just click on this little formatting here on the home tab menu, and then highlight cell rules. It's about highlight cell rules. It means that you will create or make a color for certain cells or certain data. Okay, greater than, it means that you will make a coloring for the number greater than a certain number. Less than, between, equal to, text that contains or a date occurring or and duplicate values. It's about filtering. Okay, it's a duplicate values and etc. more rules about the conditional formatting, especially for highlights the cells rules. Okay, we will make it equal to format cells that are equal to female, and then width. Okay, it's the custom format of color. Okay, fill. After you click format cells, select fill, and then okay, you can see it. Light red filled with the dark yellow, green, and also that. Okay, this is for female data. I will make it green. Okay, just click or just select the format that you want and then click OK or yes. Okay. Okay, for example, Leon is a female. After you make a change on the certain cells, the data will follow the rules of filtering that you make before. Okay, okay, that's how to do filtering. Plug all the table and then go to conditional formatting and then select some rules here. Okay, that's about male for red color. For example, I will change about the female data to male. Automatically, the color will change. Okay, so that's about the okay. From the usually I type male, but there is no color here. Why? Because I just make some rules or some rules for the gender columns only. Okay, once again, it's about the conditional formatting for the number order and then format cells that are greater than without hiddening the without make a hidden files like a filtering before. It's about the colors of filtering. So greater than 100, the cell will be red color. So you can see 111 and above it. Okay, and it's automatically will change or will be changed into the red color. So if you give or you make some changes on this cell, for example, so the cell will be changed automatically. That's, I think, enough for this sections 5, and hopefully this might be useful for you if you want to learn or study about the Microsoft Excel from the basic. So you can watch my videos before from the section 1 until 5, and hopefully you can do this or learn from my channel. Hopefully this might be useful and will make more effective and efficient for your work or for your job on your office without taking too much time, because we do manually our work or our job on office. Because that's the tutorial of Microsoft Excel. I hope you can learn and this might be useful for you. See you soon in the next video, and bye bye.